If your back is crooked or shifted and you've ruled out major pathology, try this exercise sequence that can straighten out your back and improve your pain and mobility in the process. With a lateral shift, the key is closing down the lower rib cage so that way it's stacked atop the pelvis, but you have to do it without forcing it. Whatever side the torso is shifted towards, lie on that side with a firm pillow or ideally an ab mat under the abs, pelvis, and lower ribs. Resting in this position, take a silent breath in through the nose for a 5 to 10 count and a soft exhale through the mouth also for a 5 to 10 count. Hang out in this position for 1 to 2 minutes. This exercise is great for initial symptom relief, but it only helps so much because it's more passive. We need muscles to do the job of the ab mat or pillow. Keeping the shifted side down, get up on your forearm. You want your top leg in front of the bottom ankle. Log roll your body forward so your weight is on the bottom outside knee and the wiggle bone on the wrist called the pisiform. This will be on the pinky side. If you don't sense that, make a letter C with your hand and rotate your palm down. If you still can't feel those 2 points, place a wedge or a book under your hip and your elbow. Once you've log rolled your body forward and you feel weight on those 2 points, take a slow 5 to 10 count inhale through the nose. On the exhale, push your torso up by putting weight through those 2 points. Stay in this position for 5 sets of 5 breaths 2 times per day. Now that you've worked the abs to slowly get the ribs stacked atop the pelvis, you can use this finisher to get incredible results. Get on knees and forearms. There's research showing that this position derotates the spine, which you need to do if you have a lateral shift. Take a slow 5 to 10 count inhale through the nose. On the exhale, push your torso away from the ground by putting weight on the wiggle bone on the wrist, like we did in the last move, and the kneecap. If anything, push a little bit more with the knees than you do the upper body. This will prevent crunching or rounding too much. If you round too much, that creates flexion throughout the back. Sometimes that can be uncomfortable with lateral shifts. We actually want a little bit more extension to a neutral position. That may help if there is any potential disc irritation. To make sure you hit that sweet spot, keep your pressure at a 3 to 4 out of 10 effort. Maintaining this pressure, do that 5 count slow inhale. On your next inhale, put a bulk of your weight on the arm that's on the shifted side and the knee that's away from the shifted side. This is going to unweight the opposite arm and leg. You'll slide that arm and leg out. This will help open up the opposite side of the shift and close down the shifted side. Slow exhale and back to the start. Do only this side for 3 sets of 10 reps. If you still have some back discomfort after you've taken care of the shift, there's a lot of other movements that can be restricted with back pain. Check out this video right here, which goes into some of the best ones you can do for overall back discomfort.